How to clear cache on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Now here on the right bottom, you can find this clear data. Tap on clear data. Here there are two different options, manage space or clear cache. Simply hit on clear cache and at last tap on OK. Now it will take some time, so all the temporary files are completely gone. You can simply go back and restart it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.